Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix bad internet connection on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. If you click on it right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix bad internet on your PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you click on settings, go ahead and select or click on network. Then right here, you're gonna find two options, connection status and settings. Go ahead and click on settings and then disable and re-enable your Wi-Fi and then click on set up internet connection. Once you do that, go ahead and search for your Wi-Fi network and then click on option, then click on advanced settings. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the settings. Go ahead and search for DNS settings. It will be automatic on default. Make sure to switch it to manual. And then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find primary DNS and also secondary DNS. In the primary DNS, go ahead and type this address 8.8.8.8 and in the secondary one 8.8.4.4 and then go ahead and click on OK and just wait for it to connect to the access point. It might take some time and once it finishes, your internet needs to be or must be much better. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.